He wants a kiss. You gonna pick him up? What are you doing?
Picking him up.
I think he's picking himself up. They're kind of full of energy. I think it likes your skirt, Sissy.
It's trying to eat my skirt and my sock. And my pants.
Aw, they're so cute.
One's orange and one's white.
Yeah.
They're cute, aren't they?
Your mommy's over there. You're there.
Oh, I know. You keep wanting my phone.
Jada kind of has an issue with the heat lamp.
Isn't she the one that got
Got
her
her cell
last?
phone fireless.
Yeah. Oh, I think it likes you.
It likes this. Don't eat.
It's so cute. And this is Ashley, my daughter, the dairy goat farmer.
Oh God, Mom. Really? You had a video.